Let's see it swim. Wow. Are you getting tired?
No, I can do bubbles in my nose.
Bubbles? Wow. Doesn't that hurt?
I can do bubbles in my nose. You can? You want to see?
Yeah. Yeah.
I do that.
I want to see you do a cannonball.
Okay, ready?
Well, that wasn't a very good cannonball.
You gotta do it from over there and run in.
I can't because I'll go in the water.
That's okay.
It's all right. We're right here.
Okay.
We got the towel already.
Ready? Cannonball!
Wow.
That's good.
That was a great one.
Thank you.
It's fairly clean right now.